On today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated I.
Oh, it looks like he's just got his head peeked out. Looks like he's alright, right? You alright, buddy?
Yeah. He moved his head. That's a little one.
I bet you it's one of the ones that hatched. That were by the house that time.
Yeah.
And I thought there was nobody in that hole. You know what this means, boys? That's right. It's time to shave the seat. Sure, y'all know how to take the seat off of this. You gotta take the side covers off and then get the bolts off. I'm hoping that this doesn't have a steep base in there. We will see. Look at that. I lost a nut.
That's what she said.
Sure hope this works. Don't have the same shop as up north. There is that dent there. Looks like they leave that for cushion for your butt, as you can see. It looks to me like even if I shave that hump and taper it up, it'll still have 2 inches or so of material. Worth a try. What I'm going to do is just probably from here take the whole rear staples out and then just fold this over. And I have an air staple gun already with some staples, so it should be good. So I got all the staples out of this part, but apparently that's just like a, I don't know, must be something that protects this from rubbing through. So I still got all these staples to go here, boys. I'll be right back. Last one. My naked seat. Draw a marker. I guess I should go all the way, taper it so it looks like a straight seat, right? I don't really have a straight edge here, but that's about pretty straight. So that's not as much material as I thought. That'll work out pretty good. Do the other side. So that's the section I will be removing in this procedure. Not as much as I thought. Let's get her done. I got my camera glasses on. And here goes nothing. Looking good. Not going too bad. Oh, and I cut a little in, huh? Damn. I was afraid of that. Slice a little deep there, boys. That's alright, this will lay back down on top. Yeah, I'll see if we can level this off a little bit. It'll have to do. Five minutes later. That thing's junk. Not bad. A little lumpy. Best I could do. That's it. What do you think, Chris?
Good. Not too bad.
Straight seat now. Might work. See if Harbor Freight comes through with their metric assortment. Gonna miss a nut. Then I'll show you what the seat looks like. Alright boys, ready? Flat seat. It's a little bumpy. Not perfect. But it's pretty damn good for me. I actually like it better with that seat like that. Now if you want to see the difference, that's what we got now. And that's what it was. Way better. Let me do a hiney test. Oh wow.
We did it! We did it!
Look at that.
That looks like what you would buy from a store!
You could literally, I could sit all the way back here and don't make my butt go numb.
It looks amazing! Look at that!
Way better. Sit all the way back here now.
So many activities!
All kinds of room for activities.
It's making my head spin how many activities we can do.
That's right. Definitely good mod. Highly recommended. Straight from the Cheezy's mod shop. Took me about maybe an hour total. Couple things I've done. Chinese manufacturers followed. This is the next one to follow. Gonna go from this to this. And I like this a lot better. Boy, that looks a lot better. She is sexy now. Sexy. That's what I think. Compared to that. That was always weird. Now, not so weird. Man, I should have done that a long time ago. Looks like a real motorcycle seat. Well, look at them fancy shoes. Would you replace them with the boat shoes?
Yep, Walmart special.
That's right.
And now back to your regularly scheduled program.
Hey, what's up, buddy? Long time no see.
Haven't seen you in a...
Yeah, there's a lot of current going out now.
Yeah.
If it breaks free, whoever's on the boat's got to go get it. Don't try to raid the boat. He's going to be like a pirate. See him looking? I see you looking. Look at, yeah. Go ahead, there's nothing to get anyway.
On there.
Following us? My little coonie. He's just making sure we leave so he can raid the boat. Yeah, we got a sail cat.
It looks like a catfish.
Yeah, careful getting them off. Watch, those are pointy, see it? They'll get you.
All the catfish, every catfish got the friggin' points.
And this too. Oop.
Squirrely.
He says, man, you caught that catfish and you didn't give me none?
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy.
Oh, he's coming. Now you did it.
Oh, get away now.
He probably gets fed all the time. That's why he comes up. Looks too healthy to be rabid. The crazy lady in the water with an orange hat. I see you. Little beggar. Are you hearing this little package and you want to come for food? Look at you, beggar. I'm not giving you nothing, buddy. No. Not by the boat, anyway. We're all the way around the bend of the island. Lots of blue claws in here.
Pelican, fly. Come on, pelican.
What the heck is it? What is it?
It ain't a grouper. It looks different.
Man, that thing is huge.
Damn.
Look at it.
That ain't no grouper.
Oh, man.
Damn.
Yeah, we're gonna go to Shrimp's Landing. I've never been there before. We'll try it. Looks like we could dock up and see what they got.
What do you call that one?
Is he open?
I think so, yeah. There's the menu. Yeah, it's from 11 to 6 that are open. We all got chicken fingers. No one wanted fish because everybody wants to eat light, so we can have a big dinner, big hot dog dinner maybe.
KFC.
Tonight, that's what I'm eating tonight, no matter what.
So we all came to a fish place and all got chicken.
Where's your boat?
And everything looks red because of the red umbrella. Oh look, we got a little hush puppy too. It's like a little cake.
Fish is good too.
That tastes pretty good. Next time I'll have to try the fish. How was the chicken tenders?
Good.
Chicken fingers.
Were good.
They were not dry out.
Yeah, they were pretty good.
Good fries.
How was yours?
Good.
Just looking around.
Yeah, I'm just checking it out, see what you got.
Alright, so we have 4 Freemans, they 42-foot Freemans and 34-foot Freemans. They're about $1.3 million now, and they run anywhere from 70 miles to 200 miles offshore every single day, 7 days a week.
So they chartered in?
Yep.
Oh, okay, it's a charter.
Yep. The charter is about 16 hours and goes around $3,000 and 6 people, and they don't come back until they got fish.
Wow.
And if they're doing a mobile trip, it's 170 to 180 miles offshore. They leave the dock around 2 o'clock in the morning, and they'll get back here around 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Do it all over again the next day, 7 days a week.
That's nuts. And they always get something?
Oh yeah, they always come back with their limit of fish. They don't come back till they got their fish. This time of year, which is snook season, inshore fish, they have their bay boats, which is 26-foot Gulf shores, $130,000 boats, and they will be doing snook, redfish, trout, all the inshore species.
Wow, that's awesome. Thanks. What was your name?
Jack.
I'm Cheez.
Nice to meet you.
You sound like you're from London.
Nice to meet you. Oh, your whole selection there
Oh
too.
yeah,
Huh?
fresh fish and scallops and shrimp, all kinds of stuff for when people come off the boats. If they want to take some for dinner.
Fresh.
Oh yeah.
Fresh off the boat.
Yep.
All right, thanks, man.
You're welcome. Have a good one.
You too. Oh, that was pretty neat. Oh, maybe we'll see that big alligator they say is around here. I don't see him.
Remember,
He's fishing.
no.
Shrimp's landing. Next time we gotta try their seafood though. For sure.
6.5 hours later.
Seafood Alfredo.
Right out with your fries.
Boneless chicken wings. Soft shell crab. Yeah, smells good.
And sweet potato fries with cinnamon butter.
Oh, look at that. Bite it. Show them how good it is. You got a full mouth already. There it is. Oh, yeah, it's good.
Sweet potato fries with cinnamon butter. Delicious.
Probably good enough, huh?
A few moments later.
Always delicious. Out of 10.
10.
10?
And I come
10.
back every
10.
time.
10? Yeah, mine was 9 or 9.5.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.